Breast augmentation काफ़ी in vogue है. It's always been in vogue around the world. बल्कि a lot of people ask me here in Pakistan that is it common? Is it common enough? And I tell them yes. As I already told you in quite a few of my talks, that a breast is as important for a woman as her face is. So similarly, if a young girl does not have sizable breasts, it makes her feel lacking something. It makes her feel incomplete. And sometimes when women grow older as well, it makes them feel incomplete and the body is not proportionate. So the best option for augmentation is implants, and it's more predictable. It is more predictable in fact, because one, we are always sure that this amount of implant and this size of implant will always stay. Number two, it is safe. You put it under the muscle, so it never affects the breast tissue. And number three, you can feed and do whatever you want after it as well. But the most important question that is asked to me is that breast implants, often women say, how many cc implants will you put in? Sometimes it's so hard to make them understand that the volume, the projection and the size of the breasts depends only 50% on the number of cc implants used, and mainly on the chest size of a woman. So every woman has a different chest size, a different base, so a different shape and cc's of implant or volume of implant is needed for that. And similarly, the amount of the chest that should carry the breast tissue defines how many cc's. So a smaller chest can have smaller implant with lesser cc's and still get a lot of projection. So the projection and size does not depend upon the number of cc's. Actually, number of cc's increases with the size of the breast of the implant on the chest. So it basically depends on the size of the woman rather than the amount of projection and the amount of increase in cup size that they need. Thank you so much.